Heidi here, and welcome to Kiddos Corral. And if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you part of the Kiddos Corral family. So today is another day of getting on the bus and headed out to the gym. It has been so nice to actually get back into the swing of some normalcy. However, you know, we've had all this leisure time and I'm finding it hard to be very productive because I just can't get it in the groove. So I have plenty to do today. I'm going to go to the gym today, and I'm hoping, keep your fingers crossed, that I can come home and do two things that I have been trying to get to all week. First thing is separating my summer clothes from my winter clothes and putting my winter stuff up because I'm running out of room, and I'm finding myself living out of my laundry basket, which I don't want to do. The second thing is I need to order my thank you cards off of Walmart.com from my wedding. I still yet have not sent out thank you cards. My very first vlog actually went out today, which was a bit of everything vlog. If you have not watched that, I will link this down below. I am going to finish getting ready to go to the gym. I've got to scrounge up a little cash for the bus and get my towel. I leave it hanging out on the banister of the porch because when I get home from the gym, it is soaking wet. I've got to grab my snack, which usually I take some kind of a granola bar and a juice with me because my sugar just plummets around, I don't know, around 2 o'clock. So I always try to make sure that I eat a snack so I don't fall onto the floor trying to get home. So let's get this day started. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are doing safe and healthy. And I really appreciate you all sticking with me in this time. I'll check in a bit. So I made it to the gym, and Ronnie's in the pool, and I'm about to jump into the pool myself. So I will catch you later. I've got Ronnie here, and I can't even see what I'm filming. There we go. I see you in there.
You see me now?
Yeah, I see you there.
I had to look at you a little more closely.
I had to put my shades on. It's so bright out here, but it don't seem to ever bother you.
It don't bother me at all. And I don't even have my shades on. What about it don't bother me? But you know what we did? We had a wonderful day today swimming, and you know, and it's really not that bad out here. The humidity went down. We've been like in the 90s, I guess, for the past few days.
But it's nice and breezy out here. It feels nice. Well, right now there's a big cloud above us, and it's kind of hiding the sun a little bit, so it's easing off on the heat. But it's nice sitting out here.
Yeah, it's like a nice dry feel. Imagine you being in the desert. Anybody that lives in Arizona, well, you know how nice and dry it is, even if it's hot.
You like it that way, don't you?
Helps me.
He don't like humidity. He doesn't like the cold. I'm just gonna have to move him to the desert, I guess.
As long as it's
I'm gonna take you in the desert with the horse with no name.
Yeah, does anybody remember that?
Yeah.
Speaking of which, we missed that concert.
Yeah, we were actually supposed to see the band America, but because of the coronavirus, they canceled the concert, which was a real bummer because I spent a lot of money on some tickets to go for my birthday in March, right before we got married. So we didn't even make it.
Right before we got married, like just a day or two before. But yeah, you know what? I ended up having to listen to it on my Google. But
that's okay. We still made do and still had a wonderful wedding, and in spite of all that was going on.
And we're still blessed.
Yes.
And we're blessed.
Well, I am. I don't know about him.
Well, I'm definitely blessed.
Are you blessed?
Oh my goodness,
Are you
yes.
sure?
I'm very sure.
Well, we're gonna sign out. We're out here out in front of the YMCA. I don't know if you can see it behind me. And we decided to come out here in the sun and kind of warm up a little bit after being in the pool all day.
We've only been in there for
3 hours.
3 hours.
So we are waiting for the bus, and
so come and join us.
yeah, come and join us on the bus, right? There's a lot of big exciting stuff that happens on the bus.
Oh yeah.
You know what they used to say when I was a kid? You cuss on the bus.
Well, we
try
sometimes
not
we
to.
heard it. We try not to hear that.
Jolly Pirate Donuts for breakfast. Hey guys, so I just got to the gym. It's Saturday, and yesterday I did not finish out the vlog, so I thought I would add today's footage to yesterday's footage, and that way you kind of had 2 days in the life. I didn't get a lot filmed yesterday. It really was most typical. I got up really early this morning and I went garage selling, and I got a few things, and I'll show you guys what I got when I get home. But then I had to catch the bus with Ronnie and come to the gym, and we just got here, and he's already in the pool, and I'm in the dressing room, as you can see by this sign here. And we're going to go swimming for a while, and then when I get home, hopefully I can remember to show you guys what I bought from the garage sale today. Just a few little things, but one thing in particular I was really happy about that I found. It was this sign that I'm going to hang above our wedding picture in our living room, which I'm really excited about. So I'm going to share it today with you guys. So to walk through the hall, I have to put the mask back on. And it's hot today, guys. Hot, hot, hot. Since I got back home that I would share with you guys what I got from the yard sales that I went to this morning. So the first thing I found was this. It's like a sweatshirt. It pulls over your head, but it's one of those like teddy bear coats. I really wanted one of these this past winter, but never could really find one that I really like. Like, I didn't really care too much for the ones that zip up. I kind of like something like this to kind of snuggle in at home with my blue jeans on, you know, when it gets really cold outside. I just washed this, and oh my gosh, it's so soft. But it's just a pullover, and it has this big collar on it. It's a little bit big, but for here around the house, I kind of like these things a little bit bigger. It is a really good brand. It's a Land's End brand, and I only paid $1 for it, so that is the wonderful thing of yard sales. Let's see, I got this other sweater. Apparently this woman must have been cleaning out her winter wear. This is just a regular pink, like a light pink, I guess you could say, sweater. It's one of those 3/4 length sweaters. It has the roll up neck on it. This was so pretty. I just really liked it, and it's so soft. I like, in the wintertime, it gets really cold here in West Virginia, so I really like things I can really kind of bundle up in, but I don't like things that fit me really tightly. So I got that, And then I got one more sweater that I actually thought that I could utilize spring summer because I have a lot of dresses that are sleeveless, and I'm not a sleeveless kind of girl. I just don't, for me in my age, I don't really like to go sleeveless a lot. I do wear a bathing suit, but I don't really go sleeveless. But they had this really pretty like little cardigan. It's very light. As you can see, the pattern in it has like little holes in it, so it's very light. It had this tapered like waist in it. It's very slenderizing. The way that has this tapered section right here. It has the 3/4 length sleeve in it. I just thought it was very light pink. Just thought this was very feminine, very pretty. I can wear it on top of a dress or even a like a sleeveless white t-shirt with some jeans. There's so many versatile ways. But if you're ever going to church on a Sunday, I usually wear a dress, and it is so hot here this summer, but sometimes the sanctuary and stuff gets a little chilly, so if churches let back in and all that, I thought this would be a really fantastic thing. Again, $1. Every piece of clothing I bought was $1 and was really good name brand, and I just felt like I did really phenomenal on those finds. I'm going to get one last thing and show you what I bought. So I found this wrought iron sign, and I just thought it was so pretty. It's solid and it's heavy. Has this scripture on it: "As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord." Joshua 24:15. I really love that. I think I'm going to put this on the wall in my living room and hang Ronnie and my wedding picture below it. When I get that up, which will be much later on, I will share it with you. But I have been looking for something with this scripture on it forever. These signs, in my opinion, are very pricey at Hobby Lobby. This is iron. It's very, very heavy, and I just thought it was such a really good deal. I paid $10 for it. As you can see, it still has the sticker on there. I paid $10 for it. Looks like it's never even been used, never been hung up. I love this. And that was my finds yesterday. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will be doing more vlogs in the future, and as well as some other content that I do have planned. I hope you all are doing fantastic. Thanks so much for watching, and I will be seeing you all again soon. Bye guys.